Alright, I'm gonna show you how to make alkaline water. So you get some key limes. Get like these small key limes. They gotta be key limes. Key limes work the best. And you're gonna cut them. Take like 3 for a liter. And you'll cut the key limes and then squeeze, pluck out the seeds, squeeze it in a bowl, and then take what you got. Take like a funnel that works the best. Pour it over in there. And you got alkaline water, because this version of alkaline water is a lot cheaper than if you want to buy like a bottle of alkaline water. Because I bought a bottle of alkaline water and it was like $1 for a liter. And I mean, who can afford that if you drink like a gallon a day? Because you need alkaline water. You need like a 75-25% ratio to alkaline to acidity, because alkaline, it helps you digest food better. It helps you digest acidic foods better, and it balances out your blood, and it also gives you more energy, and it gives you more metabolism. It speeds your metabolism up, which in turns gives you more energy, because the actual key lime itself is not like a substance of alkaline. But when if I had some pH strips, I show you on the pH scale, it's like on a level 10 of alkalinity, from 0 being the most acidic to, I think it's 10 or 14. Some is 14 to being the most to having the most content of alkalinity. So when the key limes get in your bloodstream, it alkalizes because it's high on the scale. So it's cheaper to make it this way. So hey, thank y'all for watching.